Here I have REALME C55, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. If it's nowhere to be found, you tap on three dots, go to Edit Titles, and here you can add and remove buttons to this upper bar. So let's find Screen Recorder. Okay, so here it is. Just tap on it to add it. And here we have it. By holding your finger on this button, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sounds, you can record microphone sounds, you can change video definition, you can change video frame rate, you can also record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format, and yeah. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and after that this kind of menu appears. So here you can switch sound settings. By tapping on the red button you can start recording. So let's record some of our screen. You can pause recording by tapping on this red button here. You can play it again by tapping on the red button once again. And when you're done recording, you just tap on this tick icon, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the folder called screenshots, and here it is. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.